Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio Sylvia and this beautiful Bartaza vario grinder espresso, an espresso machine. Now, for the machine itself, we just gave it a tune-up, replacing the gasket of the machine, the one that you see right here. As you can see, this one is scrap and stuff, so it definitely needs to be replaced. We replaced the shower screen. You can see some coffee buildup around it, and we also replaced the chrome part of the group head. As you can see, this one is peeling and is not looking that great. We replaced it with the black one. As you can see, looks so much nicer. And we're gonna test it out, starting with one shot of espresso. Hopefully we pick up the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see the coffee or coffee barely dripping. But before we do that espresso shot, now that the machine is hot and ready, let's use the steamer so we can test it out. It's always recommended to steam your milk first with this machine. And as you can see, steamer is working perfectly fine. Working really great, excellent pressure. Nice, working really great. Let me just cool down the boiler a little bit and refill the boiler itself so we do not damage the heating element. And we also cool down the boiler a bit. Perfect, steady stream, that means it's cooling down. Nice. Alright, now we're just gonna wait for the light to go on. While we wait for that, the grinder that we have right here, for this thing, we basically had to replace the belt of the grinder itself. As you can see, this one is damaged. It's not, it wasn't no longer pulling correctly. We replaced also the little part of the holds the belt and kind of pushes the gear. We also replaced a micro switch of the grinder itself, as the hopper was not actually activating this switch, and we also replaced the hopper as well because the other one was wearing out. So yeah, that's all we did to this grinder, and as you can see, it's grinding perfectly fine, really fast. Before it was kind of stopping and it was not grinding at all, so you know, now it's working perfectly fine. So now coming back to the machine, we just gonna do a shot of espresso. So hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise, gonna sit with coffee or coffee barely dripping. And as you can see, it's a little bit faster. I should probably have tampered a little bit harder to kind of get that espresso shot. So I'll be right back, and I'm gonna redo that again. Okay, welcome back. Our other shot is still there. As you can see, it still has some crema. I tampered a little bit harder and put a little bit more coffee, so hopefully we can get a good shot coming out of this machine. And probably I tampered a bit harder. Yeah, you can see it's a little struggling over there, but it's able to keep up, having good crema coming out of the machine, and overall a good shot. Was able to extract it very well. There you go, and there you have it. Rancilio Sylvia working once again, and this grinder grinding the way it's supposed to. No interruptions, the way it had. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.